Let's try to find out that whether water exerts different pressure at different depths. The materials required are a bottle full of water and a toothpick. The procedure is as follows. Make holes at different levels in the bottle with any sharp object. Here I have made two holes at different depths in the bottle and the water is coming out with different pressure. The observation is water falls out with greater pressure at greater depth and lower pressure at less depth. The conclusion is water exerts different pressure at different depths. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe with notifications on.